Loaded chicken noodle soup, a classic made-from-scratch comfort food recipe made with DeCecco Farfalle. Add some DeCecco extra virgin olive oil to a large pot on medium heat. Add in 1 chopped yellow onion, 4 stalks of chopped celery, 4 chopped carrots, and 12 ounces of sliced white mushrooms. Season with more olive oil, salt, pepper, Italian herb seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder, and stir everything together. Cook for 10 minutes, then add in 2 cups of chicken stock and 4 sprigs of chopped parsley. In another pot, bring 6 cups of water to a boil. Add in 3 heaping teaspoons of better than bouillon chicken base. Cook 1 box of DeCecco Farfalle pasta according to package directions, which is about 11 to 13 minutes. Slice and dice 3 boneless chicken breasts and add them to the pot of soup. Add in 2 more cups of chicken stock from the pasta water and let the soup simmer for 10 minutes. When the pasta is finished cooking, add in the remaining 2 cups of chicken stock and give it a nice stir. Add the farfalle to a bowl, ladle in some chicken soup, and you're ready to serve. Loaded chicken noodle soup, a classic made-from-scratch comfort food recipe made with DeCecco Farfalle. It's going to be delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.